not that one. Okay, so you should be able to graph this. You go to a new document, don't save. Number 2, is everyone able to graph in the yellow calculator? That's my question, first of all, okay? So are you able to put negative x squared plus 4x minus sine 3, hit enter, okay? You should be able to see where most of these points are. Okay, so you can see these points, but it's best to do the menu 5-1. If y'all remember talking about that last time, menu 5-1. What that does is it traces, so you can see exactly where the points are, right? So check it out. Menu 5, graph trace 1. Do you see the X that showed up right there? What is that point called on that vertical line? Y-intercept. Isn't that one of the things we need, right? So you see it right there. Now, by the way, if you would like to go left and then go back right, it would pop up. Y-intercept. It'll tell you with the little yellow box right here, right? I need more people looking over here without headphones. Please look. Look and listen. Okay, give me a minute without headphones. Now, y-intercept, it tells you at the bottom that it just said it is 0, -3. So let's go and write that for the y-intercept, 0, -3. Now, we just keep moving to the right until we get to the next point. Okay? And it's going to pop up with something. Now, hold up. What is a 0? A root? What else is it? Oh. An x-intercept and a... Did we already say root? Yeah. Okay, a root, an x-intercept, a 0, solution. Okay? Remember when we did that thing? Everybody said a word. Okay, so we got to remember those 4 things mean the exact same thing, right? That means root. Root means x-intercept. Where does it cross? Where does it cross the x-axis? Okay. It should be on your Tuesday warm-up, but it's x-intercept, 0, root, solution. I'm going to write that right here just so we remember. So root is a 0, like we see on the graph. It's also a solution, but everybody, this is the most important one. It's an x-intercept. So you tell me, what's that x-intercept right there? What does it say at the bottom? 1, 0. Let's write that down. All right, then let's go to the other one. If you just keep going to the right, another 0 pops up. And what is that one down here? 3, 0. Yeah. So notice there's 2 roots, 2 x-intercepts. Okay, sometimes it crosses twice. Now, what about the vertex? So if I go back to the left, y'all know the vertex is where it changes directions. It could either be at the top of a hill or the bottom of a U, right? What is that vertex? It says at the bottom. 2, 1. Does everyone see that at the bottom? And then the question, what is it, max or min? Well, it actually pops up right here, but hopefully you know. Top of the hill is max, bottom of a U is min. Okay, so this is our maximum. Okay. Now, there might have been, some confusion about what I wanted y'all to do yesterday, even though it was written right here. The place you look all day long in my class. Okay. This thing that I'm holding in my hand that you got 2 days ago is what you should have been working on. Okay. Some of us did, some of us didn't. Okay. I need everybody to have this out and finish this today. Okay. I know it's kind of long because I made it small. But if there's, those were the notes. That was the day before we did this. But okay, so that one's 9:27. That on the right blue bin. Other one. All right. So again, what we did on the warm-up is kind of like what you're doing here. You should be able to get the points, see the points that are on there, you just write them over here in this table. Like literally, those points, put them in this table. The only thing that's not on the warm-up today is the line of symmetry. Do y'all remember line of symmetry? What does it always start with? X equals. So if you look at your notes from Tuesday, X equals a number is a vertical line. It's a line of symmetry. Okay, so I'm going to come around and see everybody has this on their desk. And then some of y'all are going to do test corrections because I just put your tests into the grade book. Okay, if you've turned it in, then you're good. Okay, but we really need to make sure this gets done because tomorrow we're moving on to something else. Okay, sign out, take the class. Yeah. All right, tomorrow I'm going to give you an updated grade sheet. Okay, tomorrow is where we freeze the floor of your grades. Then you'll have 1 week to get it to where you want it to be. All right, here we go.